Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to CE 104. This is introductory class. Let us know what are the objectives of today's video. That is self introduction, course introduction, BLC enrollment instruction, Google Classroom enrollment instruction, Messenger group creation instruction. So first of all, self introduction. It's me, J.M. Raisul Islam Shohak. I have completed my graduation from RUET, Russia University of Engineering and Technology in December 2018. I have completed my HSC from Rajaputra Model College, Dhaka, and SSC from Joshua Zilla School, Joshore, and home district is Magura. Previously, I was employed as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department in European University of Bangladesh for 2 years. At present, I have been working as a lecturer in Civil Engineering Department in Daffodil International University since February 21. Now, course introduction. Our course code is CE 104. CE, that means Civil Engineering. Course title Practical Surveying. Course credit 1.5. That means this class will be conducted once time per week, or 3-hour classes will be conducted per week. And this course is actually field work. We have to do our classes in field. So now, BLC enrollment instruction. For this is actually our BLC course CE 104 phenomena or outview. When you get the enrollment key from your course teacher, you will be able to enter into this course. And when you enter into this course, you will see that 0 enrolled students, 0 completed students, 0 in progress, 0 yet to start. After entering into this course, here the number of students will be increased. Suppose 1 enrolled students, when 2 will complete, then it will be shown in 2 enrolled students here. And here is the welcome note. CE 104 practical surveying guideline for this course objectives, learning outcomes, announcement, infographic outline for these courses, and detailed course contents here, and course plans per week. And this is our grading system policy, and here is assessment strategies, that is attendance for 10 marks, lab performance, that is 25 marks, lab report 25 marks, lab quiz, that is 40 marks. At the end of this practical surveying lab, a quiz will be held. That marks should be 40 marks. And recommended reading, that is practical surveying lab manual. And here is your teacher's profile, and here you can appoint with me by this following procedure. Here is a Google Calendar is inserted here, and you will be known everything step by step. Now, Google Classroom enrollment instruction. For this, when you get Google Classroom code of your class teacher, course teacher, you will be able to enter into these courses. That is CE 104 practical surveying, like this phenomena or out view of your courses. Finally, messenger group creation instruction. You will have to actually create a messenger group in Messenger and making me admin. You may make admin 3 or 4 people. I have no problems, but you have to make me as admin in your Messenger group, as I can easily communicate with you very smoothly or effectively. Like this cat on 02, Raisu sir for 21, CE413 for 21 Raisu sir. Like this, you have to create a Messenger group. So I think this is our introductory class. I think you will be able to understand by watching this video very carefully, and thank you everyone for being patient. Assalamu alaikum.